Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that some of you might have used. I sure have used it, and it was my first chat app that I ever used, mostly with my sister. As we were gaming, we would actually compare notes and help each other in adventure games. After 28 years of existence, ICQ will stop working starting June the 26th. So this was before MSN Messenger. This was before Yahoo Messenger. This was before, of course, Facebook and all of that. This was the app to have back in the day. They achieved a pretty significant number, as they had at one point in the 90s 100 million people actually using the app. And so if you remember that little flower, so 100 million was a lot of people. It's pretty much, one of the most used apps back in the day if you had the internet. And, of course, who remembers the that came with it? I try to imitate it as much as I can, but that was something. And I've got some great memories off of this, chatting with my sister for hours at a time, chatting and helping. We were helping each other in adventure games. We were just playing all sorts of online games that and chatting at the same time. Great times. And my sister was the first in the family to have a computer after I did. I've always owned a computer up to since about 1982 with a VIC-20, and afterwards, of course, other PCs and so on. But when I changed from my Pentium 166, which I had back in 1998, I guess, which is pretty much what I was using, moved on to a Pentium 3, 600 megahertz, I believe, and gave my old PC to my sister that wanted to see the internet, and that's when ICQ came into the chat. A lot of you might remember your ICQ number, actually. I don't personally, but wow, what a amazing time that was. So bye-bye, ICQ. It was really a lot of fun. Today it's incredible how a lot of the chat's going through Facebook Messenger now, which has more than 1 billion users. So in order of, number of users, it's just incredible now. So if you have your story, a little story with ICQ on your own, why not put that story in the comments below? It'd be fun to hear who used ICQ back in the day. And if you have good memories, and if you find it sad that it's now shutting down. No words as to why, but the number of users were dwindling, every year. So I guess people just moved on to something else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.